Today we're turning this GMC logo black in the easiest, most affordable way possible. We're hanging out in our custom paint booth today while the thunderstorm rolls in, so let's dive into this. Now you're only gonna need a few items. This, painter's tape, and a rag. First thing, real simple, just wipe down. If you wanna get real fancy, you can use some water on here too. Step 2. Prep your paint. We're gonna bring in one more tool here. This piece of cardboard, we're just gonna use it to guide us as we go and just cover the overspray. Just a light first coat. We're gonna do about 4 coats all together. So first coat's done. We're gonna let that dry for about 15 minutes and we'll come back and do 3 more of these. You see it has a nice matte look to it, so now you're good to go ahead and add a second coat. So you do want to go ahead and get these side areas as well because you're going to want this to be a heavy coat so that it's easier to peel off at the end. Overspray, just rub it off. It's real quick, it doesn't leave scratches. Everything you need for this video is in the description down below, so check it out if you're interested in doing this yourself. Give it about 15 minutes and then we'll peel it off. Careful. Now here's the part that always throws everybody off. When you have all this overspray, it comes up in sheets. You just peel it up, it will automatically know where the edge is and have a nice clean line. There's your finished product. Smooth, no smudges. All the edges are nice and clean. Guys, and that's it. If you liked today's video, be sure to comment, let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.